Hello, guys. Thank you so much for coming along to my channel today. It's always a pleasure to have you here. If this is the first time you're coming along to my channel, thank you. I would highly encourage you to please click the subscribe button down there and the notification bell, those two things, so that you wouldn't miss any of my content. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to me, for believing in me, for sharing, liking, and commenting. A lot of people have been reaching out privately or on this platform. Thank you. You guys are amazing. I so much do appreciate you. Thank you. As always, if you are in the career transition period, maybe you are a developer, you are a project manager, you are new to Scrum, you have read about Scrum. Most people read Scrum, they say, I'm a Scrum Master. They haven't done training, they just read it maybe on Udemy or Coursera, or they have listened to any podcast, but you're still not sure what to do. I recommend you reach out. I offer free mentorship. Take advantage of the opportunity. And if you're also a practicing Scrum Master, you're looking for someone to collaborate with, kind of, refine and upskill yourself, just reach out. You can see those information on top of my screen. Shoot me an email, connect with me on Facebook or Instagram, and let's have a conversation. That is on that. Today, I wanted to share with you guys what my thoughts are when people say, oh, in the next 5 years or 10 years or 3 years, that Scrum Master is going to go into extinction, or the Scrum Master career, job is going to go into extinction, right? So these people have their arguments, but I'm going to take a look at it from the holistic part of it, not because I'm a Scrum Master, right? But because I have taken time to study the trend, the market, the economic, the team composition. And then I think that, in my own opinion, the Scrum Master career position is not going anywhere, at least in the time being. Okay. If we take a look at it from the evolution perspective of project management, it's not going anywhere. So today I wanted to work with you, explain to you, give my own opinion. Perhaps it could be convincing, but if not, discard it. If there's anything I say today that makes sense, by all means, embrace it. But if not, discard it. Is that fair enough? Okay, thank you. So as always, I'm going to share my screen and then we can get started. Again, like I said, it's just looking at the future Scrum Master prediction. What is the current trend, and what direction is it gearing towards? All right, let's look at it from the Agile and Scrum adoption trends. Right, we understand that most organizations nowadays are adopting Agile. Now, there are two major project management methodology. We have Waterfall and we have Agile. Now, we understand, assuming that Agile is more or less like an iterative nature. It is faster. It gives opportunity for feedback. I mean, there are disadvantages, or there are some loopholes when it comes to using Agile to work on a project. But data shows that most organizations are adopting Agile as a methodology in executing and implementing and planning their projects. So if that is so, that gives us the opportunity that the Scrum Master position is not going anywhere, because as far as people are adopting Agile, they need someone who has the experience, and that is when the Scrum Master position comes into play, or Agile coach. So there is some sort of growing adoption, across different industries. It's not just software development industries. There are different industries, be it military, be it government, be it software, education, what you have in HR, all of these industries, even entertainment, they're all adopting Agile. So now, again, evolution of practice. So as much as every organization or organizations are adopting this Agile, so the practices are evolving. The second reason I think that we could predict where the Scrum Master position is heading to, that is not going to extinction anytime soon, is the role of the Scrum Master. Now, on the role of the Scrum Master does primarily the coaching and facilitation, right? These are the two major things that the Scrum Master does. We also understand that these facilitation and coaching cannot, as far as I'm concerned, at the time of this video, cannot be taken over by technology. I haven't seen an AI or any kind of technology that is taking over that can facilitate meetings as much as or the way that humans facilitate, or any technology that can coach team members from that human-centric perspective. So if that is so, that means that as far as organizations are adopting and implementing agile, they also understand that there should be someone who needs to facilitate, who needs to coach team members. In that case, the Scrum Master is not going anywhere. The adaptation and leadership, that goes also to the point I've already mentioned. The human-centric nature of leading people, because this adaptation requires some sort of leadership. And if that is so, the Scrum Master position becomes relevant. The third point I wanted to highlight is industry trends. Now, most industries are going into digital transformation. Everything is going into the internet, making life so easier and faster, right? So if that is so, most organizations are kind of using Agile because it gives them the opportunity to iterate, to get feedback, especially from the user-centric nature of it. So now they embrace Agile and they need someone who has the skill and the background, and that is when the Scrum Master comes in. Now, diverse applications. We understand that the Scrum or Agile could be used not just in IT, it could be used in any sphere of life. Now, if that is, we're moving forward, then the fourth reason is technological advancement, automation, and AI. You might be wondering, what about all these artificial intelligence we have nowadays? Robots, right? Most of the things happening nowadays, are automated. I heard some time ago that companies like Meta, that robots are taking over some of the industry, the jobs there. And because of that, most people are losing their jobs. The human-centric leadership and problems solving aspects of Scrum Master role they are less susceptible to automation, right? Problem solving, we understand that robot cannot, give us that human-centric nature of problem solving. Market demand and skill supply. I mean, every now and then you go to the internet, you see Scrum Master jobs being posted by different companies, different environments across the globe. That shows that there is the demand. I have made a video about what time or when could you as a person or candidate apply for a Scrum Master job. If you haven't watched that video, go back and watch that video about when you can be able to apply for a Scrum Master job. For some people, they're like, oh, Scrum Master market is just, the job market is saturated. It is not saturated. It depends on the time and season of the year. Global economic factor. Is obvious that when there is an economic meltdown, most organizations are kind of laying off some employees, and Scrum Master role is not an exception. But however, now, as organizations are also thinking of ways to make teams to work more efficiently, we understand that the Scrum team is self-organized, cross-functional. So they need someone who understands such scenario to help team to become much efficient. Efficiency is one of the key things, no matter the economic crunch. Every organization is looking for a way for team members to work efficiently. If that is so, then that implies, if we should follow it from the logical perspective, that a Scrum Master role is not going anywhere. The last but not the least, even though they are cutting costs, but they also consider that we need to give our users this product and service. The last but not the least is about organizational structure. We have organizations that are fully agile and lean. Lean is one of the agile frameworks, just in case you're not sure what lean is. We have different agile frameworks. We have Kanban, we have Scrum, we have lean, we have SP, extreme programming, we have feature-driven development, FDD, and the rest. So some or most organizations are fully agile, they practice lean. And if that is so, they need a Scrum Master who can be able to help them with operation. So as you can see, the Scrum Master role is not going away anytime soon. I mean, people might have their different reasons why they think the Scrum Master role is going to extinction, but I promise you, I tell you, take my word for it, that this role The career path that you have chosen is not going anywhere anytime soon. As far as these key points we have discussed with you are concerned. Now, if you think that the Scrum Master is going to extinction, maybe because of what you have read, let us know in the comment section. But if you think this is very informative, let us know in the comment section. Do you like my presentation? Can you give me a thumbs up? Can you recommend me to your friends? What do you think? I want to hear what you think in the comment section. Okay? Thank you so much for spending these few minutes with me. It's always a pleasure to have you on my channel. And I look forward again to see you next time. In the meantime, I hope you stay well. Bye for now.